What if I told you that the most powerful tools in manifestation happen when you're not even awake? That's right, your sleep plays a massive part in shaping your reality. When we sleep, our conscious mind takes a break, but our subconscious mind keeps working. And guess what? Your subconscious is where your deepest desires, beliefs, and manifestations take root. Okay, so whatever thoughts dominate your mind before sleep become deeply embedded in your subconscious. That is why it's important to be intentional about what you focus on before bed. Have you ever fallen asleep worrying about something only to wake up feeling drained? Now imagine yourself falling asleep while affirming your highest self, your dreams and manifestations. Before bed, repeat affirmations like, I am attracting abundance effortlessly. Love, health and success flow to me while I sleep. Everything I desire is already mine. Here's a powerful secret. Your mind can't tell the difference between reality and a vivid imagination. So when you visualize your dream life before sleep, your subconscious thinks it's real. So close your eyes, picture yourself living your dream life, feel it, see it, hear it. The more details, the better. A relaxed mind is a receptive mind. So before you sleep, try to simply relax. Try a breathing technique to calm your nervous system and open yourself to receiving. Try this. You inhale for 4 seconds, you hold for 7, exhale slowly for 8, and repeat for 4 times. This deep breathing signals to your body that it's time to relax and manifest effortlessly. Dreams are powerful. They often contain hidden messages, intuitive insights, and sometimes guidance from the universe. So keep a journal by your bed and write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. You could do this journal prompt. What symbols or emotions stood out? How do they connect to your manifestations? Your mind is a magnet while you sleep. So when you align your bedtime routine with your manifestations, the universe responds. So tonight, be intentional, speak your desires, visualize them, and trust that it's already happening. If you found this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And in the comments down below, tell me what you're trying to manifest right now. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye guys.